Hello guys, my name is Siddarth and I welcome you all for the stock analysis video of a script called JINDAL SAW, which is coming under metal sector. Now, before we get started with this video, I want to tell you all that this is not any sort of buy recommendation or a tip. The only intention of making this video is to share the analysis which I would be doing. Okay, the chart shown here is of JINDAL SAW. It is in weekly time frame. Now let us look at the history of a JINDAL SAW. So if you look at the history of a JINDAL SAW, we can see that the stock is currently trading somewhere around 119.5, which is between its all-time high and all-time low. And the zone which I have already drawn here, which is shown in pink color, is one of the most important zone I can tell of the script. Now why it is important, let us understand. So previously, if you see, that zone has acted as a support multiple times. So it has acted as a support as well as a resistance. So this is the resistance, and lately the stock has given a breakout from its important zone. So before the breakout happened, if we clearly observe that when there was a crash in the COVID, obviously all the stocks fell. Even Jindal SAW also had fallen, but the recovery, if we just look at it, was a kind of a channel pattern. So the stock gradually came up with some good momentum, and we call this pattern as a channel pattern. So to be precise, it's a rising channel pattern. And on somewhere around on June 1 or 31st of May, it has given a breakout, correct? Now, the breakout is so much important that it has given a breakout from a channel pattern and also a important horizontal resistance level. And then there was a good amount of retest, and then the stock flew up. So you can see here, this is actually considered to be the area of confluence. So area of confluence is a phenomena where more than two things happen at a time. So that is considered to be one of the most important zone. Now, how do you understand that the breakout is genuine? So one of the reason by which we could tell that the breakout was genuine is by looking at the volume. So you can see here during the breakout, there was a good amount of buying over here. And if you look at the retest, like this red candle is basically a retest candle, and you can see that there is a very, very low volume, which means it clearly says that it was a retest candle. And there was a good move of about 40% from here. Now, why am I interested in this script and what is the analysis behind that? Now, if we go to a daily time frame, so we can see that the script is kind of forming a flag and pole pattern. So this I consider as a pole, and the a small pullback or a correction is considered to be a flag. To be precise, it's a bullish flag. So bullish flag is a bullish pattern where the potential towards the upside will be greater. And also in the weekly time frame, if we could see that when the price is moving up, we can see here the volume is also increasing, and when the price is falling down, we can see that the volume is also dropping. So what can we tell by this? We can tell that when the price is moving up, the people are interested in buying, they are not interested in selling. So also we can see here when the price is actually falling, there's no volume at all, people are not interested, people are not selling the shares. That was the one analysis based on volume. Now if you look in a weekly time frame, we can see that one candle is obviously it's of a weekly the data, and we can see that there is a several wick on this zone. The zone is 117.05, which clearly says that the bulls are active, the bulls are very, very powerful. And this is not like it has happened for once or twice, this has happened continuously from last 4 weeks, which means 1 month. So the price is not able to break that support, which clearly says that it's a strong demand zone. So in daily time frame also, we can see that the price has never ever given a closing below 116.9. Okay, now let's go on to the hourly time frame. So in an hourly time frame, we can see that the price is actually consolidating inside a triangle. Okay, and I've used a relative strength indicator, which again is telling me some kind of a data over here. Now if you see here, the price is actually going sideways, but if you look at the momentum is actually rising. So this phenomena, we call it as a divergence. To be precise, it's called as a bullish divergence. So bullish divergence is a phenomena where we get to know that the price is even if the price is going sideways or even if the price is dropping, the momentum is gradually rising, which means the bulls are getting active over here. So I normally use bullish divergence, and bullish divergence actually works most of the time. Now one more important thing which I want to tell you all is by using a Fibonacci. So if I simply catch the last previous wave, that is the impulsive wave of the script, So this is probably the low and this would be the high. You can see that the price is actually holding the 0.3 fib level. So that is again going to act as a strong support. So that is one phenomena where we also understand that there is an extreme demand zone at the fib level of 0.3. Now, if we go to a smaller time frame, that is in a 15 minutes time frame, you can see that the stock has actually given a breakout from the triangular pattern. Now, how do you understand that the breakout is genuine? We know that one of the reason by which we could tell that the breakout could be genuine is by the volume. So you can see that when there was a breakout from the triangular pattern, there was a very good volume, and after that this the script went sideways with the low volume, which says that the people have given a good amount of breakout, but it has not given its mood today. So usually what happens is that if a breakout happens and if there is a no move towards any one of the side, then that move is going to be tomorrow or after like 2 or 3 days, but definitely there will be a move. Now it is again in kind of a accumulation zone. So that was in a smaller time frame. Now, talking about the entry, so one could actually take an entry and they could plan for a stop loss below 97. So 97, so this pink region is going to act as the extreme support, and if that support is broken, then probably we could see the next support somewhere over this trend line, that is about 78. So make sure when I say stop loss, it's not that you simply exit as soon as the price touches 97 and if it goes up. No, a proper stop loss would be, a genuine stop loss would be only when a candle, that is a weekly candle, gives a closing somewhere below 98. Then only you can exit, but before that don't go to exit. So I would say the price may not come till there. The price, you can see that already it is bouncing as soon as it comes to 117, 116. So one could actually initiate a buy over here with the stop loss as I mentioned 98. So conclusion, I am bullish on Jindal SAW, and there was enough amount of correction lately, and Nifty is also trading somewhere at all-time high itself. And even if you look at the metal sector, like other stock like Tata Steel and JSW Steel, they have also taken, they are also at a crucial level. I can tell you, they are somewhere between the support of a trend line. So overall, there should be some kind of a good move in the metal sector in the upcoming days. So you can plan your trade accordingly with your stop loss of 98. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to this channel so that it gives me motivation to make even more contents. So I'll see you in the next one, and happy trading.